Welcome to another video. In this video, you're going to talk about how to navigate the Techlink business or agents platform. Okay, so the moment you open up your browser, you see the business platform. Okay, the web address is business.techlinkgh.com. Okay, so this is the web address. You just type this and then you search for it. Okay, the moment you enter the web address, you would see the entire web page over here. So this is the web page. Okay, so you see sell data and airtime under your own name. Okay, so this basically means that you are reselling what we are providing. Okay, so you would have the opportunity to open your own store and sell to people. Okay, you basically add your own pricing to what we sell. Okay, and then you sell it for others. You sell it to others, right? So the moment you do that, we handle the delivery. Okay, your part is just to sell. You just sell and then we handle the delivery to the customer. I hope you got it. Yes. So basically, it's saying here sell data and airtime under your own name. So you can create an e-store here and then you would be able to sell using your own store name. Okay. And then you give the link or your store to your customers for them to buy from you. You get it. So the moment they buy from you, they also get profit from that. You also get profit from that, right? So if you are selling something, if we are selling something to you at 5 cedis and then you sell at maybe 6 cedis, the 1 cedi that you get is your profit. You get the whole point. So the 1 cedi that you get is your profit. Whatever you make, you get to keep. You get to withdraw from 10 cedis and above. Okay, so that is it. You sell under your own name. You open your own e-store under your own e-store name or your storefront. You set your own pricing on everything that we sell or we provide. Okay, and then you keep the difference on each sale. You get the point. So if you are making a profit of that 1 cedi, you get to keep the profit of 1 cedi. Okay, and then there's no stock to buy and there's no shop to rent. The only shop that you have is on the internet, and then you give people the link to your shop and they buy from you. You don't have to sell from a physical shop. Okay, you don't rent, you don't do anything. We provide everything for you for free to make money. You make money from the platform. Okay, so the business.techlinkgh.com helps you to earn money for yourself. Okay, so there's no stock to buy and then there is no shop to rent. Okay, so everything is provided free for you. Your customers order from your link and the network delivers in seconds. So whatever you buy, something that you can buy, your customers can also buy from you, right? And we do the delivery. You don't. We do the heavy lifting for you. Everything that we do it for you. So if it is customer service, if it is delivery, if it is updating of pricing, we do everything. Okay, you don't have to do anything. You just have to focus on promoting your e-store or your shop, and then you just sit back and you earn money. Okay, you can withdraw from 10 cedis and above whenever you want to. Okay, good. So it is free to open. Okay, the shop is basically free to open. There is no cost. There is no terms and condition. The only terms and condition is that you can withdraw from 10 cedis and above, but there is no stock and then it is free to open. Okay, that is how it works. You don't have to have capital to do this. You just open it and you start selling. Okay, it's as easy as that. So these are the simple features of the platform. All right, so now when we scroll down here, we have it over here, margin on every sale. So if you sell something, you get to keep the margin. Okay, and then service charges. You set your own service charge. Okay, so the bills and the airtime that we provide on the platform, you add your own service charge to it, or your own commission to it. So if you are selling airtime, or bills, right, water bill, light bill, those kind of things, you add your own service charge, and the service charge can be a flat fee or it can be a percentage. Maybe you want 1 CD fee. Okay, so if somebody buys something like airtime, okay, maybe the person buys 5 CDs, and maybe your commission, you set it 1 CD. Okay, it means that the customer will be paying 6 CDs. That 1 CD that the customer pays on top of the 5 CDs will be yours. Okay, so the fee, or the percentage that you want on it, you can add it to the airtime or the bills that the customer will pay, right? So that money will amount to 10 CDs and above, and then from there you can withdraw. Okay, so it's very simple. We also have referral commission. So the moment you want to refer somebody, you get commission on their sales. Okay, so it's as very simple. It's very, very simple. Okay, right. So this is what we also, this section is our stats. Okay, so what the orders, that our track record, our orders that we have delivered, okay, since 2023, and then transfer fee, minimum payout, right? And as for the margin, you set it yourself. Okay, so this session is a simple calculator which helps you to calculate um you know the amount that you get to keep. Okay, so we just adjust the calculator, and then the margin that you get. So if you are getting, let's say you are getting, let's put it around 50, you are getting 50 CDs, 50 orders a day, and then your margin for every order is around maybe 1 CD, right? It means that monthly you can get to keep 1,500 CDs. Okay, because in a day you make that 50 CDs. Okay, because if your margin is 1 CD and you're having 50 orders a day, it means that you're making 50 CDs a day. Okay, we are basically creating employment for you for free. Okay, and the best thing about this is that there is no um capital. Okay, there's no capital. You are not going to you don't have to have money to buy the bundles that we provide. Okay, the customer is basically paying you. Okay, and you are making money from that, right? So that the 1,500, and in a week, right, you make 350, right? Because in a week, 7 days, right, you are going to make 350, and in a year, 18,000, right? So the orders in a month, 1,500. So it's basically, a simple calculator, depending on which helps you calculate depending on the margin or the amount of orders that you get in a day. Okay, so if you are already selling, you can estimate how much you are making, okay, on the platform, right? So these are the services that we provide, okay, or the things that you can sell. So you can sell data bundles. Okay, you can sell airtime, you can sell ECG prepaid. So if a customer wants to buy ECG or electricity, the person can buy from you Ghana Water, and then DSTV, Go TV, Star Time. Okay, if their subscription has ended and they want to renew, they can renew from you. Okay, the moment they have your link, they can buy from you, and you add your own commission, and then you make money. Okay, and then the result checkers, if BC time, WASI time, students have finished their school, they want to check results, you can promote your shop and people will buy from you. You understand? And this one, you set your own price. When you set your price, you earn your profit from it. You understand? MTN fiber. Okay, MTN fiber. Charlie, if somebody's subscription has ended or the data bundle has finished, the person can buy MTN fiber from you. You understand? If it is alpha registration, the person can register from you. This one, the alpha registration is basically core bundles. Okay, core bundles. So if the person wants um core bundles, I think it's monthly, right? So the registration is monthly. The person can pay for a monthly fee one time, okay, and then the person will be registered on alpha and the person can make calls easily and all the time without not buying without buying what do we call it, airtime all the time. You understand? So imagine that every day you make a lot of calls and then you are buying airtime frequently. You can just get alpha registration and then you can make frequent calls to all networks. You understand? Business services. This is a new development that we did. Okay, so the business services, you can we provide this for you so that you can also register people's businesses. Okay, so if somebody wants to renew passport, if somebody wants business registration, merchant sim, and all those things, you can also provide this service with your own commission. Okay, and then you make money. I hope you get it. So this is basically a money making um platform. Okay, this side of Techlink GH helps you to make money. Okay, for free, for free. You understand? So it's very, very simple. You just create an account, you get approved. Okay, the moment you get approved, you set your pricing, and then you share your link, and then you start selling. It's as simple as that. Okay, so it's very, very simple. You create your account, it's free. We don't charge for account, and then you get approved. Approval too is instant. So we don't wait. We don't tell you to wait for the account. Okay, before you can start selling, right? And then you set your pricing and then you share and sell. The only moment you get to wait is maybe, I think, for the store approval. We get requests. We get a lot of requests sometimes for the store approval. That's why it takes around 3 days. Around 3 days. Most of the time it's instant. So around 3 days, your e-store should be approved for you to share your link and be selling. Okay, so I think that is the only thing that takes time. Okay, but apart from that, everything is smooth. Okay, and then you get to cash out your Momo. When you withdraw, you just enter your mobile money or your bank account. You will withdraw to that account. Okay, so it's very, very simple. The moment you've reached the minimum withdrawal, you can withdraw and then the money will be sent to your account that you have specified. Okay, so that is it. It's very, very simple. If there's anything, you can call the number for inquiries and all that. We have some FAQs over here, frequently asked questions, and then you can read them. Okay, you can read them. Now, these are contact information. Once again, your shop is free to open. You can do it. Just register and then request for your shop with your name, and that is it. Very, very simple. Okay, so this is it basically. Okay, this is the home page of the business platform. As you can see, Techlink Business, very, very simple, right? So I've shown you the platform, okay, that you can use to make money for free. For free, no investment. This one, it is no investment. I hope you get it. No investment. These services that we provide, these are services that Ghanaians use. Okay, these are services that Ghanaians use. People need to register their businesses. Some need to buy data bundles. Some need airtime. Some need to pay their bills. You understand? Result checkers. Their children are done with their school. They want to check results. You understand? So all these help you to provide these services for them. And how do you get paid for providing the services? You add your own commission and then you get paid, right? It's very, very simple. Okay, this is free money. Free money. You just promote your shop, people will buy from you, and then you start earning. It's very simple, right? So in the next video, I'll walk you through how to log in, okay, and how to create your account. So the moment you log in, you would have you once we move in that video, you have knowledge on how to access your account and how to reset your password, how to log in, and all that. The various types of login types, right? The various ways you can log into your account. So all those will be shown to you in the next video. Okay, so I'll show you that one in the next video, right? Thank you for watching.